1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS convertible, priced at $75,000, located in Sun City Center. This classic convertible is in excellent condition and remains fully roadworthy, making it a fantastic choice for collectors and enthusiasts. Powered by a reliable 8-cylinder gasoline engine with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers a comfortable rear-wheel drive experience. The odometer shows only 25,000 miles, reflecting careful ownership over the years. Its beautiful blue exterior gives the car a timeless and eye-catching appearance. Finished with a clean title, this well-maintained Chevelle SS convertible is ready to drive, enjoy, or proudly display at classic car events. 1970 Ford LTD 390, priced at $9,995, located in Zephyr Hills. This classic full-size sedan is in excellent condition and remains completely roadworthy, making it a great choice for vintage car enthusiasts. Powered by a dependable 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers a comfortable rear-wheel drive experience. The odometer reads only 26,000 miles, showing that the vehicle has been carefully preserved over the years. Its bright yellow exterior gives it a bold and distinctive appearance. Finished with a clean title, this well-maintained Ford LTD is ready to drive, collect, and proudly showcase anywhere. 1967 Sunbeam Tiger, priced at $70,000, located in Zephyr Hills. This beautiful convertible is in like-new condition and remains fully roadworthy, making it an outstanding choice for classic car collectors and driving enthusiasts. Powered by a strong 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a responsive manual transmission, it delivers an engaging rear-wheel drive experience. The odometer shows 99,900 miles, reflecting careful maintenance throughout its lifetime. Its vibrant red exterior enhances the timeless British sports car styling and attracts attention wherever it goes. Finished with a clean title, this well-preserved Sunbeam Tiger is ready to drive, enjoy, or proudly display at classic automotive events. 1948 Chrysler Windsor, priced at $12,500, located in Trenton. This classic sedan is in excellent condition and remains fully roadworthy, making it an appealing choice for vintage automobile enthusiasts and collectors. Powered by a dependable 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, it delivers a traditional rear-wheel drive experience with smooth and reliable performance. The odometer reads 75,000 miles, reflecting careful ownership and consistent maintenance over the years. Finished with a clean title, this well-preserved Chrysler Windsor combines timeless styling with classic American craftsmanship, making it ready to drive, enjoy, or proudly display at vintage car shows. 1967 Pontiac Grand Prix convertible, priced at $39,500, located in Largo. This classic convertible is in very good condition and remains fully roadworthy, making it an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it offers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The odometer reads just 1 mile, suggesting an exceptionally low recorded mileage. Its timeless styling and elegant design continue to make the Grand Prix a standout among classic American automobiles. Finished with a clean title, this well-kept Pontiac is ready to drive, admire, or proudly showcase at classic car gatherings. 1964 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $12,500, located in Palm Harbor. This iconic American classic is in very good condition and remains fully roadworthy, making it an excellent option for collectors and enthusiasts seeking timeless style. Powered by a dependable gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The odometer reads 58,000 miles, indicating careful ownership and consistent maintenance throughout the years. Finished with a clean title, this well-preserved Ford Thunderbird showcases elegant vintage design and classic appeal, making it ready to drive, admire, or proudly display at automotive events and classic car shows. 1977 Triumph Spitfire 1500 convertible, priced at $6,000, located in Clearwater. This classic British sports car is in fair condition and remains fully roadworthy, making it an affordable choice for enthusiasts looking to own a vintage convertible. Powered by a dependable 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a responsive manual transmission, it delivers an engaging and enjoyable driving experience. The odometer reads 71,000 miles, reflecting years of careful use and maintenance. Its attractive green exterior highlights the car's timeless character and sporty styling. Finished with a clean title, this Triumph Spitfire is ready to drive, restore further, or proudly display at classic car events. 1964 Pontiac Catalina sedan, priced at $22,000, located in Newport Richey. This classic American sedan is in excellent condition and remains fully roadworthy, making it a fantastic choice for collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. Powered by a dependable 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers strong performance through its rear-wheel drive system while providing a comfortable driving experience. The odometer reads 73,000 miles, reflecting careful ownership and regular maintenance over the years. Its custom exterior finish gives the Catalina a unique and eye-catching appearance. Finished with a clean title, this well-maintained Pontiac is ready to drive, collect, or proudly display at classic car events. 1957 Chevrolet 210 sedan, priced at $14,800, located in Clearwater. This iconic American classic is in good condition and remains fully roadworthy, making it a great option for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate timeless vintage styling. Powered by a dependable 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth manual transmission, it delivers an engaging rear-wheel drive experience with reliable performance. The odometer reads 13,000 miles, reflecting careful ownership and proper maintenance throughout the years. Its elegant black exterior enhances the car's classic appearance. Finished with a clean title, this well-kept Chevrolet 210 is ready to drive, enjoy, or proudly display at classic car shows. 1974 Chevrolet Nova Coupe, priced at $12,000, located in Pinellas Park. This classic American coupe is in good condition and remains fully roadworthy, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts seeking an affordable vintage muscle car. Powered by a dependable 8-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers strong performance through its rear-wheel drive system. The odometer reads 200,000 miles, reflecting years of use while continuing to demonstrate reliability and durability. Its attractive blue exterior enhances the Nova's timeless styling and classic character. Finished with a clean title, this Chevrolet Nova is ready to drive, enjoy, restore, or proudly showcase at classic car gatherings.